arc flash is a phenomenon where a flashover of electric current leaves its intended path and travels through the air from one conductor to another, or to ground. The results are often violent, and temperatures can reach 35,000 degrees Fahrenheit. When a human is in close proximity to the arc flash, serious injury and even death can occur. ECS is a premier fire, electrical, and arc flash prevention specialist. Our arc flash studies help mitigate arc flash events. When an arc flash event happens, it's immediate, and there are often no warning signs, which is why regular assessment studies are so critical. We help identify and correct potential hazards, keeping you, your employees, and your facilities safe. During an arc flash study, ECS gathers information about your facility's entire electrical structure from the utility down through the electrical distribution system. We calculate the maximum current that can flow through any point in the system by building a virtual model of your facility in our computers. Then, we compare that current flow to the ratings of the installed protective devices and equipment. This ensures your facility can handle the maximum possible current flowing through it. As part of the assessment, we review protective device settings to ensure optimal system coordination so that, in the event of a failure, any facility shutdown affects the smallest segment possible. Another critical part of our arc flash studies is determining the incident energy and protection boundaries at each piece of equipment. Then, we provide proper arc flash labeling to help keep your employees safe. This labeling states what personal protective equipment they must wear and where they are allowed to stand. Overall, we review breaker settings, equipment ratings, and code issues, and recommend how to correct or improve your system reliability. The Standard for Electrical Safety in the Workplace, or NFPA 70E, states that arc flash studies should be updated every 5 years and at the time of any change to the electrical system. That includes adding or moving equipment. At ECS, our service sets us apart. We work nationwide and respond to emergencies 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Our reports are accessible online at any time. Our report includes an up-to-date one-line diagram of your facility so that you know the current state of your electrical system. We can even combine arc flash studies with infrared studies to mitigate the risk to people and property. We treat your facility like we work there. At ECS, we protect what matters most: your people, property, process, production, and profit.